Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So here I'm just analyzing the KCET 2025 chemistry paper. So if you see in chemistry, so we divide chemistry into organic, inorganic, physical. If we see this year, out of total 60 questions, it is divided almost equally 20, 20, 20, right? So from this question paper, when I analyze, I came to see that from PU first year syllabus we got almost 18 questions, and from second year we have got 38 questions, and from practical chemistry we have got 4, right? So this is how the 60 questions have been divided, right? So in practical, the one question is from titration, other is from GOC. This you have studied in first year only, GOC. There about NaCN, KCN, like ionic compounds, how we prepare by using sodium metal, that they have asked a question, and one more question based on the color of the complex, and other we have, they have asked a question from salt analysis. So from practical you can see that totally they have asked how many questions, 4 questions. And coming to the chapters, you can see that uh, atomic structure, from atomic structure first year only 2 questions, thermodynamics, physical chemistry only 3 questions, equilibrium 3 questions, right? And first year some basic concept of chemistry, 2 questions, periodicity, classification of elements and periodicity only 1 question, chemical bonding they have asked 3 questions, redox reaction only 1 question, in that they have asked a type of reactions, right? And GOC, general organic chemistry, they have asked 3 questions. So from hydrocarbons, that is organic chemistry, hydrocarbons, first year organic chemistry, we couldn't see any questions, right? And coming to second year, if you see second year, they have asked questions on solutions, 4 questions, electrochemistry 4, chemical kinetics 4, right? D and F 4, coordination 4, biomolecules they have asked 3, and haloalkanes, haloarenes 4, alcohol, phenol, ethers 4, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid 4, amines 3. So if you see this year question 2025 chemistry, almost 4 questions from what second year, and 2 to 3 questions from first year, and total practical questions they have asked 4, one from physical, 2 from organic, and 1 from salt analysis. So this is how the distribution was there. Question paper was easy, everything is from NCERT only, and if required questions I will be solving it in this YouTube channel. Thank you.